Opening your third eye can be a profound and transformative experience. It's like unlocking a new level of perception and awareness. Imagine being able to see beyond the surface of things, to tap into a deeper sense of understanding and insight. This technique is designed to help you activate and open your third eye, a concept often associated with intuitive and spiritual awareness. The process begins with a deep breath. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to settle into your surroundings. As you breathe in slowly and deeply, let your body begin to relax with each exhale. Feel the tension melt away, and allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. Focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows, slightly above the center of your forehead. This is often referred to as the location of the third eye. Imagine a warm, radiant light beginning to glow in this area. This light represents your inner vision, your intuitive insight. Visualize this light growing brighter and more vibrant with each breath you take. As the light intensifies, you might start to feel a subtle tingling sensation in the area of your third eye. This is a sign that your energy is beginning to awaken. Allow yourself to fully experience this sensation, embracing it with a sense of curiosity and openness. Trust that this process is working, even if you don't fully understand it yet. Now, shift your focus to your thoughts. Gently observe them without judgment. Imagine each thought as a cloud passing by in the sky. Let these clouds drift away, creating space for clarity and insight to emerge. As your mind becomes quieter, you may start to notice new sensations, insights, or feelings. These are the whispers of your inner wisdom making themselves known. Take a few moments to reflect on any sensations or insights that arise. There's no need to analyze or overthink them. Simply acknowledge them and let them flow. Trust in the process and in your own ability to connect with this deeper level of awareness. Note, the goal is not to force anything but to allow it to happen naturally. With each breath, imagine the light in your third eye expanding, radiating outwards. Visualize this light filling your entire head and extending beyond it, reaching into the space around you. Feel this light connecting you to a greater sense of unity and understanding. This expanded awareness can offer new perspectives and insights into your life and your experiences. As you continue with this practice, you might notice shifts in your perception. You may become more attuned to your inner guidance, and your intuitive abilities may begin to strengthen. This heightened awareness can enhance your ability to make decisions, understand situations, and connect with others on a deeper level. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a few more deep breaths and allow yourself to transition back to the present moment. Open your eyes slowly and take a moment to notice how you feel. You might experience a sense of clarity, calm, or heightened awareness. This technique is not just a one-time practice but something you can integrate into your daily routine. The more you practice, the more natural it will become to access this deeper level of awareness. You can use this technique whenever you need to gain clarity, make decisions, or simply connect with your inner self. Incorporating this practice into your daily life can lead to significant benefits. You may find that you are more in tune with your intuition and more aware of subtle energies around you. This heightened awareness can enhance your personal growth and enrich your overall experience of life. Note, the journey to opening your third eye is a personal one. Everyone's experience will be unique, and there is no right or wrong way to go about it. The key is to remain open and receptive, allowing yourself to explore and discover what works best for you. As you explore this technique for opening your third eye, it's essential to understand that this practice is not merely about achieving a state of awareness, it's about nurturing a deeper connection with your own inner wisdom. This connection is like a bridge to a higher level of understanding and insight that can guide you in various aspects of your life. Many people find that when they begin to practice this technique regularly, their perceptions shift in subtle but profound ways. You might notice that your intuition becomes sharper and your ability to discern deeper truths in situations improves. This heightened awareness can lead to more informed decisions, a better understanding of your own needs and desires, and a greater sense of peace and clarity. Another key aspect to keep in mind is the role of consistency in this practice. Just as with any skill, the more you engage with this technique, the more proficient you become. Regular practice helps to strengthen your connection to your inner self, allowing you to access and trust your intuitive insights more readily. This consistency also helps to create a routine that supports your ongoing personal growth and self-discovery. In addition to practicing the technique itself, you might find it beneficial to integrate other supportive practices into your routine. Activities such as journaling, mindfulness meditation, or deep breathing exercises can complement your efforts and enhance the overall impact of your third eye practice. These complementary practices can help to calm your mind, increase your focus, and further open the channels through which your inner wisdom communicates. It's also valuable to approach this practice with an open and curious mindset. Rather than seeking specific outcomes or trying to force certain experiences, allow yourself to be open to whatever arises naturally. This openness can lead to unexpected insights and revelations that may significantly influence your personal growth and understanding. As you continue on this path, you may encounter moments of challenge or doubt. It's important to approach these moments with patience and compassion. Trust in your process and know that each step you take brings you closer to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Feel free to experiment with different techniques and approaches to find what resonates most with you. You might find that combining this practice with other forms of meditation, mindfulness, or personal development can enhance its effectiveness. If you ever feel uncertain or need guidance, note that there are many resources available to support you on your journey. Seek out books, workshops, or individuals who can offer insights and encouragement as you continue to explore and develop your intuitive abilities. Ultimately, opening your third eye is about reconnecting with your true self and expanding your awareness. It's a process of discovering the depths of your own inner wisdom and learning to trust in your own intuitive guidance. Think of this journey with curiosity and an open heart, and you may find that it brings profound changes to your life. In conclusion, opening your third eye can be a powerful and transformative experience. By practicing regularly and staying open to the process, you can enhance your intuitive abilities and gain deeper insights into yourself and the world around you. Think of the journey with patience and curiosity, and allow yourself to discover the many ways in which this practice can enrich your life. Thank you for exploring this powerful technique to open your third eye. This practice offers a unique way to enhance your awareness and connect with your inner self. By dedicating time to this exercise, you're taking a significant step toward unlocking new levels of perception and understanding. As you continue to engage with this practice, you'll likely notice a deeper connection to your intuition and a greater ability to navigate life's challenges with clarity. This method is designed to help you tap into your inner wisdom and expand your awareness in a way that feels natural and accessible. If you found this technique beneficial, please take a moment to show your support. By liking this video, you're helping others discover these valuable insights and techniques. Your thumbs up can make a difference in spreading the word and encouraging more people to explore their own inner potential. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future content. By subscribing, you'll be joining a growing group of individuals who are committed to personal growth and self-discovery. Your subscription ensures that you won't miss out on any new techniques, insights, or practices that can support your journey. Share this video with friends and family who might find it helpful. The more people who have access to this kind of content, the greater the impact we can make together. Spread the word and help others begin their own exploration into opening their third eye. We value your feedback and would love to hear about your experiences with this technique. Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts, insights, or any questions you may have. Engaging with the content through comments not only supports the channel but also helps create a space for discussion and learning. Lastly, your support in all forms, whether it's through likes, shares, comments, or subscriptions, plays a crucial role in our efforts to continue providing valuable content. We're excited to share more practices and insights with you and look forward to growing together in this journey of self-discovery. Thank you for being part of this exploration. Your involvement is greatly appreciated, and we're excited to continue offering resources that can support your personal development. Stay tuned for more content, and let's keep moving forward together.